that up, Kate. Put it in the box.
Is that drink? No. Come on, Puppy. What's in here?
It's bubbles. Is there anything in there? Does it feel like there's something in there?
Yeah.
Is there?
No.
Grandma can help you.
Kate, what does the kitty cat say?
No.
What does the pig say?
Pig.
What does the cow say? How about a horsey?
Dang. The first one.
What about Froggy?
Give it.
What about a dog?
She says it's so funny. What about a duck? Kate, a duck.
Quack, quack.
She doesn't like it's her job. No,
Yeah, it
it's
is kind of her
horrible.
job.